Well, we are finally at the finish line of our Trinity project, and I am so excited to show you this absolutely beautiful condo. Now, the smaller a space is, the harder your design team will have to work for you, and that couldn't be more true with this particular condo. Now, this condo was actually divided by a peninsula which designated the kitchen as the kitchen space and the living space as the living space. Now, this client needed not only a ton of storage, but also wanted the feel of an open concept living area. So this is a 350 square foot place. By taking that peninsula out and putting in an expansive 8-foot island, yes, you heard that correctly, I was able to give this client the illusion of more space than there actually was, as well as put in tons and tons of usable storage.
It's not uncommon for us when we have a very small square footage space to have to make a room really function as 2 or 3 rooms in one. And so this client really wanted to be able to eat with multiple people after she cooked these beautiful meals. She wanted to be able to relax in a living room function, and she wanted to be able to work from home. And so how did the team squeeze all of that into this small space? Well, the first thing that they did was create a seamless wall of cabinetry from the kitchen. And so the color and the profile of the drawers and doors stayed the same, but they created these beautiful arches on the top of the living room built-ins just to showcase that this is a different space and it's a little bit more formal. But these living room built-ins aren't your standard living room built-ins. Normally they'll house books and audio equipment maybe, and some beautiful objects that you want to show off. Well, this one also did all of that, but also we created a coffee bar, we put the microwave, we slid it in there, and it's great because this is exactly where she'll be eating and entertaining. But we also were able to fit in the TV and a lovely living room couch, and I think the thing with this space, because it was so small, the furniture selection had to be done so carefully to make sure that every square inch worked, that the profiles and textures all work together because they're competing in a small space. And the way that this all panned out was a beautiful open space that had so much storage and so much functionality. I think the team hit it out of the park.